运动 sport, to exercise. 运 can mean many things, but here it means to move, transport, or use. 动 here also means to use, act, or move, thereby reinforcing the meaning of action and movement. 运动 hence means motion, movement, or in the case of our dialogue, sports and exercise. At some point or another, we've all probably felt out of shape, just as it wouldn't be uncommon to hear yourself or a friend say, "I want to start exercising." It's not uncommon to hear the same in Chinese. 我要开始运动。跑步 jogging. 跑 means to run away or escape, while 步 means a step or a pace, and it also aligns with walk or stroll. 跑步 then can be thought of as a running pace or a running step, which we more commonly think of as running or jogging. 游泳 to swim. 游 means to swim, float, travel, or roam, while 泳 means to swim or swimming. Again, these two characters together are mutually reinforcing, and thus 游泳 means to swim. While you may have trouble with writing Chinese characters, and writing is not our main focus here, sometimes it's worth pointing out certain elements, as when they are so important to the meaning, they can also help you remember. In this instance, notice that with 游泳, both characters share the radical 水, which signifies water. And of course, we know, without water, there's no swimming. 骑 to ride. 骑 is a verb meaning to ride. Just like ride in English, 骑 is used together with any type of vehicle we have to straddle in order to operate. That is a bicycle, a motorcycle, a scooter, basically any type of animal or bike that people ride. 骑 is going to be your go-to verb. Again, it might be helpful for us to notice that 马 meaning horse, for obvious reasons, is also part of the character 骑. 脚踏车 bike. Here with 脚踏车, we have a three-character word. Looking at them individually, we first have 脚, which means foot. Next comes 踏, which means to step on, to tread, or to press a pedal. And lastly, we have 车, which means car, but it's basically the operational word for any and all types of wheeled vehicle. Putting them together, we get 脚踏车, step on or press pedal car, which makes far more sense when we call it a bicycle. 做瑜伽 do yoga. Once again, here we have three characters to look at. 做 is a multifaceted verb that means a whole host of things. However, here it means simply do or to do. 瑜伽, on the other hand, is a simple transliteration of yoga. You may be familiar with this kind of word as there are many examples to be found in Mandarin. Very often, this is simply called a long word. This is where words are taken directly from English and translated using similar sounding Chinese characters. Listen carefully and you can hear it. 瑜伽 yoga, 瑜伽 yoga. Thus, when we pull it all together, we get 做瑜伽, which of course becomes do yoga. 打篮球 to play basketball. Similar to the previous vocab entry, 打篮球 also begins with an often heard multifaceted verb. 打 means many things. Among them are beat, hit, and strike. But in this instance, as it is paired with 篮球, basketball, it means play. 打篮球, like many Mandarin phrases beginning with 打, is a simple verb-object construct. As we will see later in this same lesson, 打 is a commonly heard verb when talking about sports. As anytime we want to play ball-related sports, we're more likely than not going to 打 this activity.